Buckle up for a wild ride through the funniest construction fails ever caught on camera. Watch workers battle gravity and lose spectacularly. These epic bloopers will have you rolling. Like the video if you're ready for laughs, comment your favorite disaster, and subscribe for more epic fails. Thanks for being here. Let's get to the carnage.
Yo, you Chuckle Crusaders! How wild were those construction moments? Did my crew of worksite clowns have you howling so loud you startled your neighbors? Hang tight, the next clips are gonna be funnier than a cement mixer moonlighting as a comedian. Expect workers tripping over their own egos and tools staging their own prank show. Ditch us now, and you'll regret it like missing the best punchline ever. Ha ha! Smash subscribe, share your wildest reactions, and let's keep this comedy site buzzing.
All right, time to wrap it up. If you're not cackling, I need to try harder. Thanks for tuning in. 7 p.m. tomorrow. Don't miss it.